latest appointment. Question number one. Who has been recently appointed as the new managing director of SBI? Correct answer option C. Ramu Mohan Rao. Question number two. Who has been appointed as the president of NASCOM? Correct answer option B. Rajesh Nambiar. Question number three. Who has been appointed as the new space secretary and chairman of ISRO? Correct answer option C. V. Narayanan. Question number four. Who has been recently appointed as the chairman of the 16th Finance Commission? Correct answer option A. Arvind Panagaria. Question number 5. Who has been elected as the first Indian president of the Olympic Council of Asia? Correct answer option C. Raja Randhir Singh. Question number 6. Who is the permanent representative of India to the United Nations? Correct answer option C. Harish Parvantaneni. Question number 7. Who has been recently appointed as the new Director General of the NCB Narcotics Control Bureau? Correct answer option D. Anurag Garg. Question number 8. Who has been appointed as the new Director General of ESIC? Correct answer option D. Ashok Kumar C. Question number 9. Who has been appointed as the new chairperson of NHRC? Correct answer option D. V. Ramasubramaniam. Question number 10. Who among the following recently took charge as Defense Secretary? Correct answer option A. Rajesh Kumar C. Question number 11. Who has been appointed as the new Managing Director and CEO of NSDL, National Security Depository Limited? Correct answer option D. Vijay Chandok. Question number 12. Who has been appointed as the new Director General of Central Reserve Police Force CRPF? Correct answer option A. Gyanendra Pratap C. Question number 13. Who has been elected as the new Secretary General of Interpol? Correct answer option A. Valdeki Urjika. Who has been recently appointed as the Chief Minister of Delhi? Correct answer option D. Rekha Gupta. Question number 15. Mark Carney has been sworn as the new Prime Minister of which country? Correct answer option D. Canada. Question number 16. Who has been appointed as the new President of Assam? Correct answer option A. Sanjay Nayar. Question number 17. Who is appointed as the Director of CBI, Central Bureau of Investigation? Correct answer option D. Praveen Sood. Question number 18. Who has been appointed as the Director General of Information Directorate, ED? Correct answer option D. Rahul Naveen. Question number 19. Who has been appointed as the new National Ambassador of UNICEF India? Correct answer option D. Kareena Kapoor. Question number 20. Who among the following recently took charge Cabinet Secretary? Correct answer option C. TV Somanathan. Question number 21. Who has become the first woman Director General of the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, CSIR? Correct answer option C. L. Kalaviselvi. Question number 22. Who has been appointed as the chairperson of National Commission for Women, NCW? Correct answer option D. Vijaya Kishore Rathatkar. Question number 23. Who has been taken charge of 26th Election Commission of India? Correct answer option D. Ganesh Kumar. Question number 24. Who has become the new president of BCCI? Correct answer option B. Roger Binney. Question number 25. Who has been appointed as the president of International Cricket Council ICC? Correct answer option A. Jai Shah. Question number 26. Who has been appointed as the chairman and managing director of India Railway and Finance Corporation IRFC? Correct answer option D. Manoj Kumar Dubey. Question number 27. Who has become the president of the Asian Cricket Council ACC? Correct answer option D. Mohsin Naqvi. Question number 28. Naveen Ramgoolam has been elected as new Prime Minister of which country? Correct answer option B. Mauritius. Question number 29. Who has been elected as first woman Director General of WTO, World Trade Organization? Correct answer option B. Dr. Najoki Okonjo-Iweala. Question number 30. Bilongo Young of Cameroon has been elected as the president of 79th session which organization? Correct answer option D. United Nations General Assembly. Question number 21. Who has recently appointed as the CEO of UIDAI? Correct answer option A. Bhavnesh Kumar. Question number 32. Who has been appointed as the 26th governor of RBI? Correct answer option B. Sanjay Malhotra. Question number 33. Who has been appointed as the chairman of SEBI in February 2025? Correct answer option A. Tuhin Kanta Pandey. Question number 34. Who has been appointed as the new Finance Secretary of India? Correct answer option C. Ajay Seth. Question number 35. Who has been recently appointed as the second principal secretary to PM Narendra Modi? Correct answer option A. Satyakanta Das. Question number 36. Who has been appointed as the new Comptroller and Auditor General of India? Correct answer option B. K. Sanjay Murthy. Question number 37. Who has become the first woman president of the International Olympic Committee IOC? Correct answer option A. Christy Coventry. Question number 38. Who has been appointed as the new Director General of Bureau of Civil Aviation Security BCAS? Correct answer option C. Rajesh Nevan. Question number 39. Who has been appointed as the Chief Justice of Jammu and Kashmir? Correct answer option B. Arun Palli. Question number 14. Justice Harish Tandon has been appointed as the new Chief Justice of which state High Court? Correct answer option B. Orissa High Court.